Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Roohan Memon and I am a student of Paragon Academy Badin. So today my topic of presentation is uses and abuses of cell phone. So what are the uses and abuses of cell phone? First of all, I tell you the uses of cell phone. So we can use cell phone for different or several purposes, such as communication, information, knowledge, academic, and entertainment reasons. It is also a source of means of communication. We can communicate with our parents, relatives, and friends. We make calls, send text messages. It provides us with helpful information and knowledge. We use it for academic reasons, and when we feel bored, we use it for entertainment by listening to music, watching videos, and playing games. It is also used to explore different social websites such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and TikTok. So now I tell you the abuses of cell phone. So there are also some abuses of cell phone. The cell phone weakens our eyesight. It is best of both our time and money. Criminals use it for crime, and the cybercrime and cyberbullying is also common abuses. Some people use it for teaching others by giving fake missed calls, and the cell phone disturbs students while studying. It breaks concentration of the students. Thank you so much.